Let's settle it. Is Cash Apples legit, or just another scam in disguise? I've spent the last few days digging into the 2026 Cash Apples game, so here's what you need to know before you tap away for golden apples. First up, yes, Cash Apples is real. It's an official Cash App sweepstakes, launched this March with the creative crew at MSCHF. This isn't a permanent money-making app, and it's not some random download from the App Store. It's a limited 5-day event, running from March 9 through March 13, every day between 4 and 8 p.m. Eastern. The total prize pool? A whopping $500,000. You earn cash by finding golden apples. One golden apple gets you $1, 5 apples gets you $2, and at the top tier, snagging 75 apples nets you $100. But there's a cap. The most you can bag is $200 daily and $1,000 total during the event. Now for the not-so-sweet part. Because it's so popular, a lot of users hit unable to connect errors, or see orchard under maintenance. And trust me, the more apples you find, the harder they get. Hitting those high payouts? Not easy. If you're under 18, you'll need to jump through some extra hoops to get your winnings, and if you live in New York and you're underage, sorry, you're out of luck. Most important, watch out for copycat games. Real Cash Apples is only on cashapples.com or the official Cash App. If anyone asks you to pay a fee or watch a ton of ads, that's a red flag. The real game pays you the next day, straight to your Cash App. So, is Cash Apples a scam? No. But is it your ticket to easy riches? Not quite.